Greetings from Malmo and happy Eurovision week. It is 8 a.m. on this 9th of May. I have just arrived half an hour ago with the night train from Stockholm to Malmo from the company Snälltåget, which means in translation the nice train. And I am already on my way to the beach to do the first beach adventure for today, as I will have a lot of time to spend later today in the Eurovision village and also in the live show of the second semi-final in Malmo Arena. So I wanted to tick off the beach adventure first thing in the morning. And what a fantastic morning it is. I'm at the area in Malmo called Västra Hamnen, the west port. And this in front of me is the turning torso, which is the highest building in Malmo and the second highest building in Sweden with its 190 meters. And it was actually the highest one in Sweden up until recently, when Karla Tornet in Gothenburg, that was finished up this year, took over the spot with 245 meters. But this is definitely a legendary building, and when it was built in 2005, it was also the highest building in the whole of Scandinavia. And not so far away from this turning torso, beautiful architectural building, we have a beach for today that's called Scaniabadet, that I'm going to be taking you now and having the first swim. So let's go and start the first beach adventure in Malmo with the view of turning torso. Greetings from Scaniabadet, where I'm going to take my first swim in here at beach adventure while I am in Malmo. And you can see also the turning torso in the distance that you have saw in the beginning of this video. And it's an interesting place out on the sea, and there are 3 different entries into the water here. And they are also rebuilding something right now. I'm not really sure what, but this is how it looks like. It is currently 12 degrees Celsius in the air, and based on the satellite measurement, it is 7.9 degrees in the water. So let's round up to 8. And this one over here is the Öresund part of the Baltic Sea, and I still believe it's the Baltic Sea, if I'm not completely mistaken, because then after it mixes then with the North Sea after it passes further. But I need to double check this. And you see my party hat? That is because it's Eurovision week and I'm here for the Eurovision Song Contest. I'm going to attend the second semi-final live show tonight and also the last dress rehearsal on Saturday before the final show. So it's amazing. And now let's check out the water today, how it is. Alright, my first ever swim in Malmo. I have never taken a swim here before. You can see how it is also. Scaniabadet. Yes. So each of the jetties has 2 entries. So let's see which one. Okay, let's choose this one that is closer to the turning torso because that building looks amazing. It's 190 meters high. It was once upon a time the highest building in the Scandinavia, as I mentioned. Looks really amazing. Fantastic. Alright, greetings from Malmo. Now let's enjoy a nice beach adventure because the water looks so inviting. Alright. And yes, as a matter of fact, I didn't mention, this is beach day number 30 this year on the Sweden Beach Adventures and the first one in Malmo. So 30 days so far this year I have been swimming in the waters in Sweden, mostly Stockholm obviously, where I live. The water looks quite nice actually. Maybe it is a bit warmer than 8, but yeah, 8 is quite good. In Stockholm this past week it was between 7 and 10, depending on the day and on which lake I was in. But here apparently 8 degrees. I didn't took the thermometer, but let's gonna go with 8. Oh, it's so nice. So nice indeed. So yes, so happy to be here in Malmo for Eurovision and also to do some beach adventures as well. So yeah, today is 9th of May. Right now it's 9 a.m. and I was surprised that there are so many people that are taking a swim this early in the morning in the cold sea here in Malmo. But yeah, I'm not the only one today on the beach. Scaniabadet is fun. Alright, are you ready? Then let's dive in. It's amazing. It's brilliant. This is life. It's so nice and not so warm, but super nice. Look at that. Look at the turning torso in the distance, and yeah, the beautiful sea. It's a lot more salty over here than in Stockholm, because this is also where the Baltic Sea connects them to the North Sea, if I'm not mistaken. So the water is warmer. Okay, so cool. Thanks a lot for watching. Greetings from Malmo. Happy Eurovision week. That has already passed when I had uploaded this video, but yeah. See you soon again with another beach adventure on the channel. Beach Adventures with Chris!